Hello everybody, welcome back again. Today is yet a beautiful day, and I'm here to give you my update on the Boom 500 trade analysis I did here the other day, and to give you updates as to how things are really panning out. So I'm going to be sharing my screen right away, and you would see everything that I have in store for you all. Okay, so this is my chart, and if you remember yesterday when I showed you all my screen, the analysis we did live, this is what I showed you guys, if you can remember clearly. So this is Boom 500 on the H4, so let me switch to the H4 here. Alright, excuse me. Okay, so this was yesterday. As you can already see, I made this analysis and I said that price has cleared this high by a sweep of liquidity. So I'm expecting that price is going to rally back into this zone, and then we can take our buys from there. So this was yesterday, and today I had the opportunity of getting into the sales rather. So I sold, and I'll give you my reason for selling. So just gotta reduce this music a bit so it's not distracting. Alright, perfect. So I knew this was my swing low and this was my swing high, and then within this range, or within this structure, I know that I would see opportunities for sales, which was exactly what I did, right? So if I go down to yet again the 15 minutes time frame, you can already see, so this was the last high, or this was the last break of structure to the upside, and then price did a sweep here of liquidity, and there was a little bit of consolidation, and price broke this demand. It took this demand zone out that actually put up this high that did give us this sweep of liquidity above here. And then once price did that, there was a minor flip here, I should say. Not really a minor flip, because it didn't really go back into the supply that caused the break. And then price did a break of structure here. I termed it the chalk, which is change of character, and the reason I did that was because on the 30 minutes time frame, I realized that, okay, you know what, this is actually a break of structure here, and this was the zone that caused that break of structure. And this is actually pretty accurate for me, because as you can already see, there's a hidden base here, just here, right? And then price did break through this structure and gave us pushed back like a flip into the supply that caused it. So I took my first sell here, and as you can see, this is exactly what I did. In the moment I saw this happen, I just took my sells, and then I rode. So what I was thinking, okay, what's going to be my what's it called now? What's going to be my TP? So I set my TP1 to be, I'll check the 1 hour. So my TP1 was just around this zone, 50% of this IPA or imbalance, and then my TP2 was to clear these lows right here, right? And well, I didn't write this all the way down, I just took profits early. So this is what price did. Price did break of structure here, but upon the flip, I just took my sells, 2 positions here with 0.5 lots, and then I saw that price did a break of structure here also. This is an internal break of structure, right? And then price kept pushing and pushing, and then there are several reactions in these zones. Now this is an hidden base here. If I go on to the 15 minutes, you may not really see what's that zone is, but you can already see the zones here. So price did give a very nice reaction to the upside here after breaking the structure and tapping into this demand zone, and then price pulled all the way, cleared liquidity on this demand zone, and pushed right through into this zone that caused this break of structure. So I was trying to enter for a new sales, I think somewhere around here. Let me see. Yeah, somewhere around here I was trying to enter for a new sales, but amazingly price took me out, and then the new sales began here. So well, I just did a few scalps on this area, and then as you can already tell, price had done really great in pushing to the downside. So this was my trade for today, and it was pretty much an enjoyable one, right? So what am I looking at next? Well, I'm looking at price doing some push to the downside, like I said. So if I go head back to the 4-hour time frame, so this is my swing low and this is my swing high, and then my Fibonacci is all the way. So this Fibonacci is for this one, is for the major structure, and then you can already see my Fibonacci OTE lies just within this zone, and I'm expecting that price would do, or let me redraw this and take my lows, swing low from here, and then this is my swing high. I think this is more accurate. Yeah, this is more accurate. So I'm expecting price to react from this area, right, this zone. It's already giving some reactions here on the internal structure on H1, as you can already see here. There's already a nice reaction here, so price may do its thing, but I'm not going to be looking at taking any buys from any of these zones. This is my valid zone for a buy, and that should be it. So this is everything I wanted to show you guys today, and I hope that you have really been inspired, and yeah, that's a great deal. I also touched on Boom 1000 yesterday, and today price didn't really give me any good entry, but price did give me an entry here which I took, but I wasn't really sure if this zone was gonna hold or this zone was gonna hold on a lower time frame. As you can see here, I knew this was all liquidity grabs here. However, like I said, I wasn't really sure this zone was gonna hold, because I had another zone up here and then yet another one up here. So but eventually price did play out, and we're falling. So where am I anticipating that price is going to get to? Well, I see price clearing these lows, right? But there will be a major reaction here once price gets to this point, and should that happen, I'll be looking at price retracing back into this zone here, right here. This is my supply area, 50% of this zone. So I'll be looking at price retracing back into it, then I'll take my valid sales. So that's everything I have for you guys today. So keep being you and keep enjoying yourself till I come your way next time.